Hello everybody, happy Tuesday. Hope you are staying cool out there. It is hotter than Hades out there. So just try to stay hydrated, stay in the AC if you can, and enjoy this heat dome. So today I'm going to unbox our September warmer of the month and the scent of the month. I just had to get this one this month because it is so adorable and cute. It is also available until the end of August if you join my team. Join through Scentsy. It's included in your join kit for $99. So I'm going to show you how cute it is. So this is wicked cute. And anyone who likes Halloween is going to love this. And I can't wait to see it in person. I haven't done one of these videos in a while. It's been super busy with school starting. So, all right. So here is her hat. Here's the hat. And it's got a little cut out in the back for the wax to come through and the light. And I can't wait to see the legs on this because it's so adorable. Alright. Oh, she's so adorable. Look at that. And then this goes on top. Look how cute she is. Look at her little legs. So they can sit on your mantle or anything, and you can light her up for Halloween. I can't wait to add her to my Halloween collection. I can't wait to start decorating. So that is the warmer for September. Wicked cute. And then the scent of the month is Frosted Cinnamon Roll. Yum, I can already smell it. Oh, that smells wonderful. Oh, yeah, I love anything cinnamon. And cinnamon rolls is one of my favorite breakfast foods. Yum. If you liked bakery scents, you're gonna love this. It is so good. It smells the whole bag. I got in my kit, I get 8 of these bars. So I'm excited. So wicked cute. A little warmer for September. She'll be 10% off in September. And then Frosted Cinnamon Roll is the scent of the month. That will also be 10% off. It'll also be available in scent circles and room sprays. And that's all I've got for you. So again, stay cool everybody. Bye-bye.